welcome back to another video of Wake&Tech. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to make your account private on Twitter. Keep watching the video till the end to figure it out. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so that you never miss any updates from us. So let's get started. Firstly, open up a Twitter app. Once the main tab is open, click on the little person figure at the top left corner of your screen. It will open up the left hand side menu. You'll find settings and support in the last option. Click on it and then you'll find two new options. Click on settings and privacy and then this tab should open up. Here you'll find privacy and safety in the fourth option. Tap on it and it will direct you to this page. Here click on audience and tagging which is in the first option and then it will direct you to this page. You'll find protected tweets here. If you turn this on, then only your followers will be able to see your tweet. So if you want to keep your Twitter private, then turn it on and that's it. Your Twitter account will now be viewed as private. That's how it's done. I hope that you found this video helpful, and if you did, give us a thumbs up and leave a comment for any kind of questions and feedbacks. We will soon be back with more videos. Stay connected and goodbye till then.